Students, we have already started another chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. And last day we have seen the standard linear equation in two variables. What is the example of standard linear equation in two variables? That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, provided a comma b not equal to 0. Because if a and b is 0, then x and y will not exist. Then x and y will not exist. So here you see, then you will come to know that how to convert an equation into standard form. How to convert an equation into standard form. And also how to convert a statement into an equation. The statement into an equation. And I have given some examples. Today also we'll start with an example. And then we'll go to next one, that is solution of linear equation. The example is that if I ask you that price of 5 books is 2 rupees more than the price of 3 notebooks. Price of 5 books. Please try to understand. Price of 5 books is equal to 2 more than price of 3 copies. 2 more than price of 3 copies. Now price of book you don't know, price of copies also you don't know. And but there is a relation. Relation is that what? 5 books, price of 5 books. So 5 books you got into price equal to 3 copies into price plus rupees 2. Now you convert, say, number of books you know, number of copies you know. So the price of a book is x, then 5x. And price of a copy be what? Then what will happen? Price plus. This is how to convert a statement into variables. Now you see, my dear students, I told you last time that how many solutions you will get if there is only one equation but 2 variables. And also I told how many equations you get, about how many solutions you get if there is only one variable and only one equation. If one variable, one equation, then you will get exactly one solution. But one equation, 2 variables. Like this one, 2 variables. One equation, 2 variables. Then what will happen? We will get infinite number of solutions. That means the standard linear equation in 2 variables, if only one equation, will give always infinite number of solutions. Now, see one thing you see, this 5x equal to price y plus 2. If I modify a little more, that x equal to price y plus 2 divided by 5. Then what I have done actually, I expressed x in terms of what? I expressed x in terms of y. Still that time it is not x because coefficient was here. Coefficient should be 1. So as I converted the coefficient from 5 to 1, that means x converted in terms of y, or x expressed in terms of y. And this one thing you see, if you get the values of y, you can get the values of x. But can you get the value of y if you know the values of x? You have to convert on other side. Now, as of now, you see, directly if you get the value of y, you can get the value of x. So, this type of conversion of one variable in terms of other is also called a dependent equation. A dependent equation, x depends on y. That means if you know y, you know x. If you don't know y, you will not get x as well. Clear? But on the other side, you may ask or you may think, sir, if we convert y in terms of x, definitely in that case, if x is there, you will get y. That means in that case also you see, by knowing x, we are getting y. That means y depends on x. Here, x depends on y, and that's the reason it is known as dependent equation. So if you calculate here, you see, suppose if I ask you, let's suppose y equal to 1, then what will happen? X equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 divided by 5 equal to 5 by 5 equal to 1. If x equal to 1, y equal to 1. If x equal to 1, that means you see 3 copies. 3 copies, that means price and copies, the price of books and the copies are same. Then only it will be possible as of this one. Now let me see, if y equal to 2, then what will happen? X equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 divided by 5. Then 6 plus 2 divided by 5 equal to 8 by 5. Can you calculate how much? It will be 1.6. It will be 1.6. So here you see, more the values of y, more the values of x as well. No doubt about it. But if you compare these two, y1, x1, that means both same. But when y is increasing, x is decreasing than the y. Clear? So now another one, suppose, so that one thing you know, the price cannot be negative. Price cannot be negative. So then here you see, suppose if y equal to 2, then what will happen? See 3, 1 I have taken, now 3. So 3 into 3 plus 2 by 5, then 11 by 5, that means 2.2. So 3, 2.2. Now, these as a whole can be compressed in this way. See x and then y. Now remember one thing, last day I told you that it is this coordinate is also known as order pair. Why order? First x, then y. Then y1, x1, y2, x 1.6, y3, x 2.2. Clear? Now you write down 1, 1, 1.6, 2, 2.2, 3. Okay? So that means, see, we can calculate infinite number of solutions. So if 2 variables and 1 equation, then always you get infinite number of solutions. Clear? One variable, unique solution. One variable, one equation, unique solution. Suppose if I ask you that 5x equal to 25. Then you see x equal to 5. So here exactly one solution. So one variable, one equation, unique solution. Two variable, one equation, infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution. We can go on. We can go on. Infinite numbers. I have taken out 3. You may take out 10. Somebody can take out may 15 also. So there is no harm. But ultimate conclusion is what? If two variables, one equation, then it will be always infinite number of solution. And I have already shown how to take it. Now remember one thing. As of now, this is the price. So price cannot be negative. And that's the reason here you are not able to take the negative values. But my students, if other than that, if simply an equation is given to you, then you are free to take even negative values also. So let's see. Let's see that. See. Suppose twice x plus y equal to 5. Now to calculate the values of x and y, what is the first condition? First condition is that you have to convert into dependent equation. You have to convert into dependent equation. Now here you are free to convert either x or y. Either x or y. So let me see. I will convert here y in terms of x, y in terms of x. Then you see x, y. Now suppose x equal to 0. Remember one more thing, whichever in the left, right hand side in the equation variable, that one value you have to consider first because it is a dependent equation. So x equal to 0. Then what is y? Y equal to 5 minus 2 into 0 equal to 5. Suppose x equal to 1. Then what is that? Y equal to 5 minus 2 into 1. Then what is that? 3. Okay? So more the value of x, less the value of y. Suppose x equal to minus 1. Then what will happen? Y equal to 5 minus 2 into minus 1. Then what is that? 5 plus 2 is 7. That means one thing you see, more the value of x, less the value of y. 0, 5, 1, 3. But less the value of y, x, more the value of y. And so we can write, see 0, then 5, then 1, then 3, then minus 1, then 7, so 0, 5, 1, 3, minus 1, 7. Clear, my dear students? So this is how to calculate the values of x and y. So you are free to take any values, and if there is no condition given, if price, if length, if distance, then definitely those things cannot be negative. So in that case, always should be positive. Otherwise, it can be any one. So this is one I have shown. Now let me see. If it will be x equal to y, then what will happen? Then you see this equation already in the dependent equation, x in terms of y. Then you see x, y. So suppose y 0, 0. Y minus 1. This is also minus 1. y2, this is also 2, y1, 1. That means minus 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. That means one thing you can see, if x and y, if x equal to y or y equal to x and coefficient is 1, then remember one thing, x and y value will remain same. X and y values will remain same. There will be no change in the values of x and y. There will be no change in the values of x and y if x equal to y or y equal to x. Clear? Okay? Now let's see few questions from the exercise 4.2. Now 4.1, one question actually I have given homework, so that one I will do and then I will proceed for exercise 4.2. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables and take the cost of notebook to be rupees x and pen to be y. So what is given? The cost of notebook, cost of notebook cost equal to into cost of pen. So that means what? Now notebook cost they are considering x. So x equal to twice 1. X equal to twice 1. Okay? Cost of, because cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Okay? Clear? This is exercise 4.1, question number 1. Another thing I have already explained. Now let's see next one. Now exercise 4.2, question number 1. Which of the following options is true and why? And I already told, if one equation, two variables, what will be the solution? Solution will be infinite solution. It will be infinite solutions. Because you can see y equal to 5x plus 5. So that means it will be infinitely many solution, option 3. Now question number 2, Roman 1. 2 Roman 1. I not 2, let's say 2 Roman 2. Exercise 4.2. What is the question? Question number 2 Roman 2. 2 Roman 2. So 5x plus y equal to 5x. Okay? So then you see, you make it, because y is 3, so 9 minus 5x. Now, once again you make, now pi values you know, that is 22 by 7. But here no need to write down that value. Let pi remain pi. So no need to do anything. So x will be 1. Then x equal to 1. X equal to 1, then y equal to 9 minus pi into 1 equal to 9 minus pi. See? So 9 minus pi. Then suppose it is 0. Then y equal to 9 minus pi into 0 equal to 9. Suppose minus 1. 9, y equal to 9 minus pi bracket minus 1, so 9 plus pi, so 9 plus pi. So what is the solution? 1 comma 9 minus pi, 0 comma 9 and minus 1 9 plus 5. Okay, so this is, so now I think you can do question number that 2 Roman 1 and Roman 3. I'll show you once. Roman 3, 2 Roman 3. What is that? X equal to 4y. Now make it. So x, y. So y 0, x 0. Y 1, x 4. Y minus 1, minus 4. Y 2, it is 8. So 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 4, minus 1, then 8, and then 2. Okay, so that means you see, one thing you see, 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 4 into 2, 8. This is the coordinate you got. Okay, so please, my dear students, please do that much, and we'll meet you again. I will meet again in my next class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.